Alright guys, we've got a package today. Most of you guys that watch this or whatever are mainly car people. So you know how great it is when you get parts delivered in the mail. And that's why I did this video today. I kind of wanted to show you guys how, I guess, relatively easy it is to get high-end parts for half the price through such things as your eBay and your Gumtree and things like that. I know exactly what this is. Now, some people are going to be happy, some people aren't going to be happy because I'm getting rid of my pod filter. I'm actually going to go back to a panel filter. And I managed to find this online it was $30. Well, it's wrapped really well though. It was $30 and it was $20 postage, which isn't that bad considering what they normally cost. But I'm going to open it up for you now so you guys can see what it is. It is an air filter, in case you haven't already guessed it. I know most of you are saying, well, you just put that Apexi panel filter on before and then you put the pod filter and now you're going back to a panel filter. And as I said to you before, I'm very big on using genuine parts at the moment. And although the Apexi one was genuine, it's not as genuine as, I guess, a Nismo spec filter. So here it is, Nismo Sports Air Filter, dry type. It's the goods, basically. If Nissan recommends it, then I'm all for it. But yeah, that's pretty much it there. Nothing too overly spectacular. It does come with obviously the same thing that the Apexi one came with, which is obviously a sticker to let you know when you've installed it and when obviously it needs to be changed. Nissan recommend every 100,000 Ks, but it's entirely up to you what you decide. Yeah, so it's a good quality filter. Obviously sports air filter, dry type, and then it's got a sticker behind there that obviously goes through when you've changed it over and stuff like that. Dry type means there's absolutely no oil in there at all. I don't know how much you guys know about air filters, but mostly when you buy them, they've got like an oil over them, which has been proven is not great for the car. I believe Mighty Car Mods did an episode on having an oiled filter in the car, and obviously said it's not that great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw up a picture now of what this should have cost me, which is obviously the Nismo S-Tune version of it, which is the same as this basically, only that's a wet type filter, which is not great for your car. They retail for about $99, $100 basically. As I said, this costs $50, half the price pretty much, and you're getting a high-end quality product. So look, it's a win. As I said, you guys are all car people and you love getting parts in the mail and stuff like that. I'm no different. I love it too. I just don't like paying full price. So yeah, look, I'll throw the picture up now. Alright guys, I know this is an air filter for a cube, but you just get the general idea on what I'm talking about in terms of wet filters and price and so on and so forth. Well, that's it there. You saw it. Obviously, you can see they cost about $100, and they've got to come from this particular place, Japan, where the supplier is, whatever they are. So yeah, this was a lucky buy. As I said, I'm always on, in my spare time, like most people spend their spare time on their mobile and stuff like that. When I'm doing my spare time, I'm either searching for car parts or cars or both. So it's a good habit to get into, especially if you are a younger person who's on a tighter budget and doesn't have much money to spend. It's always good to obviously get parts cheaper, but good quality parts. So this will be good for you guys. Yeah, pretty much that's it today, guys. I just wanted to show you something I was pretty excited with. I've got to get back to work now, so I won't be able to do anything on the car, but in the next week or so I'll have a really long video up going through quite a number of things that we discussed in the last video. So yeah, thanks for tuning in again and have a good day. Bye.